Win Brexit as Boris Johnson offers easy solution to keep £400 billion industry in UK. The UK's biggest achievement when leaving the EU. The achievement shows that the UK is on the right track when leaving the EU. Boris is making von der Leyen angry by repeatedly setting achievements far beyond the EU. Brexit Britain is on a winning streak as Prime Minister Boris Johnson has been handed an easy solution to sustaining a projected £400 billion industry in the UK. This year's Queen's speech laid out the government's vision for the UK post-pandemic, with science and healthcare at the heart of the UK's economic recovery. In his statement to the House of Commons, Mr. Johnson highlighted his intention to build on the extraordinary work of UK scientists in COVID-19 and announced plans to create an Advanced Research and Invention Authority. Advance, ARIA. ARIA will set up a UK agency to look for groundbreaking scientific discoveries and will fund high-risk, high-reward research and development in the UK. He also explains the shortcomings of current legislation, giving Johnson an easy way to add a huge industry to his UK CV. He told Express.co.uk exclusively, "This is going to need a major reshaping. It's not that they did it wrong, it's that there's more going on now, and the space industry is starting to become a lot more profitable. You can see the success of SpaceX, having a man on the moon again does not seem far away, and space tourism is being developed. In this country, we have the Space Act that was assembled a few years ago, but since it was such a huge undertaking to establish a new law, most of it has been delivered to the CAA. They're just overlapping their regulations on it, that's where the problems are coming in. The Space Industry Act, introduced by Chris Grayling when he was Secretary of State for Transport, aims to expand and improve the regulatory framework for commercial spaceflight operations conducted from spaceports in the United States, United Kingdom and launch operations and other overseas operations of UK entities. It works in conjunction with the Outer Space Act 1986, but Mr. Morris claims there is currently unlimited liability for sending anything ballistic. He added, "If we send a satellite up and something goes wrong, the coverage will be unlimited. There is a limit on it in most countries. This is driving all the overseas operators to use rockets in places like French Guiana. We are missing out on business in the UK. It's one of those areas that needs to be identified and worked on to overcome it." Sarah Boyle, Regulation Director at the UK Space Agency, said, "As we work towards the first satellite launches from UK spaceports from 2022, the government has been in close consultation with the space industry to ensure that new laws and regulations govern all UK spaceflight. Would be the most efficient in the world. Developing UK launch capabilities will help create new jobs and economic benefits for communities across the UK, and we look forward to making the UK the destination of choice for startups. The best space company in the world as well as our growing homegrown space industry."